certainly is a beautiful day, and AI is really helping the trades. All these doctors, all these PhDs, all these college professors out of a job. Been able to scale the business to 4 appliance techs through the GuildUSA app. This is Mark with Appliance Repair American and the GuildUSA app. Driving down the road, or being driven down the road right now by my Tesla Model Y self-driving. I'm going to turn it around so you can see this thing. You see that? You see that? It's not just self-driving to self-automate your business. We've got 3 of these vehicles now, and the guys are out there being self-driven around. Been able to scale the business to 4 appliance techs through the GuildUSA app, which allows me to focus on generating more work for the business, touching clients, getting down, covering for some of his jobs. What I do is take more time to scale and grow my business. But before the GuildUSA app, we had to, I was out there by myself, and the phone would be ringing. I'd be underneath the machine, my hands getting cut and dirty. You know how it is if you're a tech. It's not easy. I had to do all the invoicing myself, all the estimates myself, answer all the phones, all the follow-ups by myself, all the part ordering by myself. Then I'd spend like a ton of time looking up tech documents, studying those documents before the jobs. I'd scroll through YouTube for any help I can find from other techs who have dealt with the same symptoms and diagnostics before. Now the GuildUSA does all that for me. It automatically uploads the tech documents. It answers the phones for me through our AI operator, and the client fills out their time slots automatically, puts in their model number, and then instantly in the app, all the tech docs are there. All the YouTube videos, according to those symptoms by the customer complaint, are automatically uploaded, and everything, all the diagnostics are listed 1 through 5, with number 1 being the most probable based on the symptoms, number 5 being the least common. They're all clickable, and it all shows the diagnostic procedures all there, step by step, plus all the associated videos that show the diagnostic and full repair tutorials are all right there in the app instantly from the client filling out the booking form. The real-time voice agent answers the phone. It's way better than a person. It has all the knowledge of all appliance repair, can answer any question, all pricing, has all the details. Then that same AI that answers the phone is in the app. So all my techs have a real-time voice agent in their earpiece while they're under a machine, and it has access to all the tech documents. So the tech sheets, the manuals, everything are there, and can guide technicians step by step during the repair, on the repair, on their way to the repair. It pulls up the Google map right away. You can respond to your clients right away, tell them early, later, on time. It has all the notifications for your staff if you're an admin out there, reminding them to do everything step by step, including greet the customer properly, automatically send and generate those invoices through the app, on site, on repair to the customers. You know how it is if you're a tech. It's better than having a franchise in your phone. If you are an established appliance repair business, that now you are, we're automating your entire business for you. You can train techs on the go now, so you can have them up and out there within like 3 months, because the AI just is like, it takes the place of you. So I'd say like they tag along with you 3 months. And this AI can assist us so we can learn faster and learn on the job. And even if you're experienced, you've got that augmented help, someone to lean on in your AI right in your pocket. If you're a solo operator and you want to scale your business, you never knew how, you can start training techs tomorrow through the app, and it keeps track of all their progress. GuildUSA, it takes care of all that for you and automates it. So if you start to build a team, the automated system will automatically send the assigned gig to the most qualified tech according to his open schedule, all their experience and everything. It's a miracle, bro. You've been working for 20 years on your hands and knees, not knowing how to scale it, thinking you just had your hands and your tools. Well, now you can start training guys, and if you don't have guys to train, we will recruit them like a gig app, like Uber, through GuildUSA, and assign them to you. So you have a bullpen of apprentice in your area ready to be assigned. And we pay them to learn. So if you're out there and you're interested in learning the trade, instead of going to trade school, just pick up the app. We'll assign you to an established master technician, and you can learn on the job. And you'll learn a lot faster. Get out there and get some, people. It's a beautiful day. You just got to roll with the punches.